Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIBS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is Unit 8, word meaning, synonym, antonym, make sentence, and question answer. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 3. Subject English literature. Topic Unit 8, word meaning, synonym, antonym, make sentence, and question answer. This is your lecture number 14 and your homework number also 14. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 14 and your homework number also 14, and your today's homework will be make sentence. Term Annual 2021. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman. Mobile number 01735852285. Okay, let's start. Unit 8. The title of the unit, the story of the 4 seasons. At first, word meaning, gathered. Gathered means came together. Ahead, in front of. Sweat, moved slowly from side to side. These 3 are word meanings. Now synonym, antonym. Word, small. Synonym, tiny. Antonym, big. Joy, synonym, pleasure. Antonym, sorrow. Base word, quickly. Synonym, rapidly. And antonym will be slowly. Now we will learn some make sentence. Brown. The grass was always dry and brown. I repeat again. The grass was always dry and brown. Travel. The animals traveled for many days and nights. I repeat again. The animals traveled for many days and nights. The next one. Return. The sky woman returned with 3 small bags. I repeat again. The sky woman returned with 3 small bags. Now we will learn some question answers. These questions are chosen from your buzzword book. Number 2. This number 2 is from your buzzword book. What were the animals complaining about? Answer. The animals were complaining about the lack of food, water, fresh air, and the hot and dry weather. Question number 3. Whom did they decide to ask for help? Answer. They decided to ask the old woman who lived in Skyland for help. And the final question, question number 5 of your buzzword book. What did the sky woman give the animals? Answer. The sky woman gave the animals 3 bags. She gave 1 bag to bear, 1 bag to owl, and 1 bag to rabbit. I repeat the answer of this question again. The sky woman gave the animals 3 bags. She gave 1 bag to bear, 1 bag to owl, and 1 bag to rabbit. So my dear students, your homework for today's class will be make sentence. Homework number 14, make sentence. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have well understood today's class. If you have any confusion or any problem, then please contact me. Watch the YouTube classes, attend the online class, and also the classes in the classroom. Take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.